What's up mga quiz, mga atheist? Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Ito si Quiz Alan ng The Allansky Show. At ngayong araw, may papanoorin tayong bagong video galing sa isa sa mga gagaling na Pinoy vlogger or influencer na si Mikey Bustos. So matagal na tayong walang napapanood kay Mikey Bustos when it comes to parody, song parody. And this time meron siyang bagong song parody galing doon sa kanta ng bagong song bagong song ni Lady Gaga na Stupid Love, na sa kanya ay may title na Stupid Cup para sa virus na to. Kaya nakatakip ako ng ganito para hindi tayo stupid cup. So, hindi ko na pahabain pa itong kadaldalan ko. Panoorin na natin video at mamibigay kong reaction at opinion ko. Go! Init.
I am now a total germaphobe. Always disinfecting, cause on the news it's all about this virus from the globe. Kinda like World War Z. Paranoia is making me freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. COVID-19. I wipe down, wipe down, wipe down, wipe down. I'm not in face mask, face mask, face mask, face mask each time I go out. I'm listening around for a call. Constantly disinfecting everything. I'm staying locked up in my house.
Paranoid.
If you need me, what's up, forever? Don't want no stupid guy. Don't want no stupid guy. Now it's time to stop this from spreading. Cover space in your sleep. Stay at home if you can. Don't give this virus chance to breathe. Never cancel your cruise. Better check your fluids too. Avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds. COVID-19. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch your things. You got the cold fever, breathing hard. Call your doctor now. Don't go panic shopping for stuff. And I'm asking, you're feeling sick. Please don't spread it. Don't be racist to us, they done. Enemies, not your enemies. I'm Filipino. Don't want no stupid Don't make it a reason to panic while they work on vaccines. Know your information. Together we'll stop COVID-19. This ain't no COVID cough. Just listen to my No pun intended.
Okay, there you go, napanood natin yung music parody ni Mikey Bustos sa pinakabagong kanta ni Lady Gaga na Stupid Love. Love na may title sa kanya is Stupid Cup at very usong-uso because season ng cuff. So panahon ng cuff. So actually na-release tong video 2 weeks ago, so hindi pa ganun katindi yung problema ng COVID-19 sa Pilipinas at sa dito sa Malaysia. So very timing yung video niya, and even though yung video niya is idinan niya sa funny, idinan niya sa katatawanan, pero very serious yung content na kasi pwede tayo maging paranoid, pwede tayo maging kung ano-ano may isip natin when it comes to this uh, kind of virus, di ba? So, nangyayari na ngayon sa atin. So, we've been in the, how you call it, 2 weeks na lockdown, and everyone is panicking, and everyone is parang, ano mangyayari sa atin within that 2 weeks or so on, di ba? So, ayan. So, I hope na-enjoy yung video ni Mikey Bustos, and ako na-enjoy ko kasi maganda yung, aside sa yung video niya mismo, nakakatawa, saka nakaka-induct yung beat ng music ni Lady Gaga. Basta Lady Gaga song, nakaka-induct, nakakasayaw talaga. So, very good. Good job, Mikey Bustos, and I wish tuloy-tuloy pa yung mga music parody mo kasi ang tagal-tagal nang nawala yung mga music parody ni Mikey Bustos na to siya naman nakilala. So, there you go. So, I hope na-enjoy nyo itong video na to. Please thumbs up. Pwede mag-touch. So, thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also to like, comment, and share this video. So, bye-bye guys. And stay safe and enjoy the whole 2 weeks. Should I say na enjoy? Basta magkawin yung enjoyable yung 2 weeks na lockdown na yan, at huwag natin gawing maging reason para maparanoid tayo or maging problematic, di ba? Just relax lang, but always vigilant sa safety ng ating health. So, there you go. So, bye-bye.